Alright, YouTube. A little update on this thing. My damn phone messed up right now, so I ain't really been having no way to record shit, but she running. I had to bring the computer to Chuck so he got get some of that Chuck sauce, man. So we pretty much got him to do a bass tune with just a PCM. We sent the PCM to him to do a bass tune. So now it's kind of got the beginning of the tune on it. And I went and picked up the damn HP tune and shit. So we gonna be able to go in there and finish it up. But she started, she run. This motherfucker sound good, man. Hell yeah. I don't really know how long I had it, but it wasn't that long. But yeah, right now I just gotta hook up the AC, the lines, and wire it up. But that ain't nothing, man. Yeah, that's more nice. My wife's sleeping, man. I ain't even gonna start it back up. I'm gonna put the other videos of it running on here. But tomorrow, we pretty much gonna get some vlogs of it. Try to drive it, see what it do, see what the transmission do. But we don't really know what to do with solars. We just know what they told us. I gotta go to the junkyard, get a little bracket for this, so I can set that up right there. But yeah, it's pretty much done. No problem so far. But we in the building, man. The dude who the car for was here. He liked that mug. I already knew he was gonna like it, but we gonna bring a new radiator. It was leaking, but I took some pliers and pinched it closed. They was laughing at me, but it worked. You can see it coming out of there. Good cooling. I pinched it with some pliers, it ain't leak since. But yeah, this is a stock air intake, by the way, if you don't know. It actually fit kind of good. I don't know why none of the other ones did. It said came in on the other side. I flipped it because it's a little bend in there. I needed the bend to go that way instead of the other way. But yeah, so far so good, man. Chuck is the man. Houston House of Power. Yeah, man. That man know what the fuck he doing. He said he been doing that shit for 20 years. Shit, he could be doing it for 2 days. From what I know, what he did with the Chevelle and this, he did this off top of his head. So shit, we gonna get it all the way buttoned up tomorrow. I like it, man. Stay tuned. We gonna be posting more videos. Show y'all what to do, cause I wanna see. Stay tuned, man.